Thank you for tuning in to another resin art video from amazing, absolutely fabulous artwork. Let's get going. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do all the cells and lacing, stuff like that. And we are going to use rich gold, rose gold, emerald, and Arctic white. We're also going to use the Wagner Ferno 500 heat gun. And this is a Diptych pour. That means 2 pieces in Latin, so 2 equal sized pieces. It is on solid wood. The wood will dissipate the heat a lot better than canvas will, so you can get these kind of cool effects with it. At least that's my experience, and that's what I've found out. Okay, so we're going to use Pro Marine Supply resin. I'm mixing up approximately, I would say, about 25 ounces. I went a little over 12 there. Equal parts A and equal parts B. Mix it for 5 minutes, and then start to add your products, your pigment paste and stuff like that, to your resin, and just mix it in. Right here, I'm just rubbing down the base coat and everything like that. These ArtTree products are awesome. If you need to get some and you like them, get a hold of Tamara at ArtTree Creations. And I would say, I'll go over the colors here real quick again. We're going to use 2 cups of 2 ounces of emerald and rich gold. And those are going to go on the outside, like where the lines are at right now. I just drew those lines for a little diagram to kind of know where I wanted to put everything at. And then in the middle, it's going to be emerald and rose gold. And then just some emerald all by itself. It'll look a lot darker in the middle than it will on the outside. Plus on the outside, it's going to go over the white, so it's going to kind of give it a little bit of a depth effect and a color change a little bit. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, the heat gun setting, it is on high. The fan speed is on high. I'm running it without a diffuser, and it works great for making cells. I've had a lot of good luck with this Wagner Ferno 500. It's an awesome heat gun, you guys. And there's no additives that I've mixed in with this resin or these products or anything. There's no, alcohol or anything like that to dilute it. It's just the products themselves mixed right in with the resin. Okay, on these metallic powders, when I'm going to put these and mix them in with the emerald, what I found out about them over time, if you've seen any of my other videos, they do some crazy stuff. So when I mix them together, I've already kind of figured out, over time, that when you add a little bit of heat to these metallic powders from ArtTree Creations, they kind of rise to the top and cause some crazy effects. So that's what I did. They're not mixed individually, they're actually mixed in with the emerald pigment paste. I just want to make that perfectly clear to everyone. Alright, what else? Where else am I at? Oh yeah, I want to give a shout out to Monica Barnes. Thank you for talking me into making one of these. First time I ever did these, you guys. 2 at the same time. It's pretty cool. I like it. And I think they came out really, really good. Alright, well, let's keep going on the art program. Okay, so there's the rich gold color right there. And then I'm going to throw the, I'll put the emerald on the screen too, and you'll be able to see that. And those are like, the exact products. I just like to do that so you guys can see everything. Oh yeah, let's talk about safety. Make sure you wear a mask, I never used to wear one. I've been wearing one now. And I tell you what, the headaches and stuff like that, they've gone away. Safety first, you guys. And then in this video too, I had my goggles on, but I was sweating so bad I had to take them off. I'm trying to keep them on, but I'm just getting used to everything right now. But like I said though, that face mask that I'm using, all listed down in the description. All this stuff's going to be down in the description, you guys. Okay, so out here on the edges, I've mixed the emerald with the rich gold. That's what's out here on the edges right now. Right there is just the straight emerald going down. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the emerald mixed with the rose gold in the middle. So you can kind of see right now out there on the edges how the ones mixed with the metallic pigments are a little bit brighter than just the emerald mixed kind of all by itself. And right here I'm just blending it all in with my hand. You know, I didn't put a base coat underneath of that part of it. That's just straight, you know, going straight down onto the wood. And there is the emerald I put down right there that is mixed with the that one is the rose gold. So these golds, there's two golds in here. Got to figure out the names of both of them. Okay, now here it is. This is the part that everybody likes to see and wanted to see for creating the lacing. This is in real time. This is just the heat gun and just getting it close like that and just kind of pushing the stuff where, you know, it goes. This is the next board, the next one closest to me, and I'm just pushing it, you know, right where, getting it out there and blending it just a little bit over the white, and you can just see that gold do some crazy stuff right there. And then right here I'm just heating up the center a little bit, and then I'm gonna go and do the part up there on the the right top here in just a little bit. And I guess I'm doing the right bottom right now. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, I'm just pushing that stuff, you know, right over the top of the white. And then once it gets out there closer to the edge, you guys, that's where, you know, where that emerald and the gold mix together, when they meet the white right there, and then just a little bit of heat with that heat gun, that's what causes those cells and the lacing effect. At least that's what it did for me today. You're seeing everything that I did right here. And like I said, I'm just pushing that stuff, and you can see as soon as I add heat to it how it, you know, just kind of rises to the top like that. And it's pretty freaking cool. These pigments, I've said it before, you know, they're my favorite go-to stuff, and I absolutely love these ArtTree products. You know, I've said it before in some of my posts on Facebook, but I do believe these are the best products you can get for resin in the entire world. Okay, now we're going to change the view on this here in just a little bit. We're going to go to the top, and then you can see it from the top coming down. All right, here we go. All right, so this is that board. This would be the the far board, that what you guys would have saw, and this would have been the one closer to me. And it's just putting some heat and just kind of pushing it right over there. And then same thing again, you know, just heating up in the middle, same video. And then just pushing that right like that, just right over the white like that, so you can kind of see about how far I went. Figured I'd throw two angles in there for you guys so everybody could see it. All right, what else? What else we got to talk about? I think that's about it. So the rest of this painting, I'm just kind of heating stuff up and adjusting everything, you know, checking my edges, everything like that. Still gonna have to flood coat this thing. You know, I want to get it all flood coated and make it all nice. Yeah, it's pretty good looking painting, so I like it, and I like to share this stuff with you guys, and I hope it helps you out, and I hope you learn something from it. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you think it's beautiful. Just let me know. I love it, so as long as I love it, I think that's about all that matters. All right, cool. Well, everybody have a nice day, and yep, I hope you like this video again, just like I said. And I'll throw some other videos up here at the end of this, and we'll do a close-up and all that stuff, and you get to see everything. Okay, all right. Subscribe and tune in for my next video here soon. Make sure you use your blowtorch and pop bubbles for about half hour, 45 minutes, and scrape your bottom, adjust all your edges. And then this is what we came up with. Man, look at that. That is freaking gorgeous. And that rose gold right there in the middle, kind of with some ghost cells right over top of it. And then back up here to the rich gold. Oh man, that's a freaking cool looking painting. Got some cells down there too. Just heated those up and spread out that emerald paste all by itself. You know, there's a little bit of gold in there. And same thing on this one. So she's a cool looking little painting. I like it. Hope you guys like it too. Hope this stuff excites you. I love it, you know, and you got to love what you do every day. So I love making this, and I love sharing it with you guys. And like I said, hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully you take something away from it. Okay. Here we go. There that is, just a little kind of still of it. And we're done. Okay. All right, if everybody liked this video, like I said, please like and subscribe. And check me out, and I'll try to explain stuff the best I can. All right. Oh, yeah, I just thought that was a cool picture. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Okay. All right, bye-bye.